Hi viewers, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at something truly out of the ordinary, the 2026 Volkswagen Limo RV Off-Roader. That's right, Volkswagen has done the unexpected by combining three things we never thought we'd see in one vehicle. The comfort of a limousine, the versatility of an RV, and the rugged power of an off-road beast. And somehow it works beautifully. The first thing you notice is its massive yet elegant presence. It's long, wide, and stands tall on oversized all-terrain tires wrapped around 20-inch alloy wheels. With its high ground clearance, reinforced underbody, and adaptive terrain suspension, the Limo RV Off-Roader is built to handle deep mud, rocky trails, and desert landscapes, all while keeping passengers wrapped in complete luxury. Powering. This beast is a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a twin-turbo V6 engine with dual electric motors. Together, they deliver over 550 horsepower and up to 700 newton-meters of torque. The vehicle features intelligent four-wheel drive and predictive terrain management, so it's always adapting to the environment before you even realize conditions have changed. Whether you're climbing steep gradients or navigating narrow trails, the Limo RV doesn't just move, it glides. Inside, it's a whole other world. Think private jet on wheels. The interior features a fully modular seating layout with massaging recliner seats, a mini kitchenette, fold-out sleeping bunks, and a smart glass panoramic roof that adjusts tint automatically based on sunlight. Premium recycled materials are used throughout, with customizable ambient lighting and a holographic infotainment system that makes the cabin feel like something straight out of a sci-fi film. But this isn't just for show. The 2026 Volkswagen Limo RV Off-Roader is designed for real adventure. It includes onboard solar panels, an auxiliary battery system for off-grid camping, integrated water purification, and even drone deployment storage for aerial scouting or content capture. There's also a retractable outdoor awning and a modular rear hatch that converts into a compact workspace or open-air dining area. Volkswagen has clearly redefined what an off-roader can be. It's no longer just about climbing rocks and crossing rivers. It's about doing it all in style, comfort, and with cutting-edge tech at your fingertips. The Limo RV Off-Roader blurs the lines between luxury, utility, and exploration. So, what do you think? Is this the future of adventure travel? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more looks at tomorrow's most exciting vehicles. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.